Hello everybody and welcome to the new video about Microsoft Excel. Like I promised, today we want to talk a little bit more about statistical functions, about calculations of statistics, but like I said, we will not type any formula. We will use something that is named Analysis ToolPak. This ToolPak is not installed automatically when you open Microsoft Excel. You have to do this installation, but very easy. Just go to File, go to Options, followed by clicking on Add-ins. Here are now listed all add-ins that already installed. In your case, this view can be different. In your case, there can be nothing written. So look at the lower right part. There is written Manage. Next to that must be written Excel add-ins, and then just click on Go. The one that you have to select at this dialog box is the Analysis ToolPak. Just check it, clicking on OK. So, what do we see here now on the screen? That are the salaries a city has to pay to his employee. The number of employees is not the same each month, like you can see it. So when the number of employees is not always the same, then the salary costs are also not always the same. We want to get now some statistical information about these values. First step, we have to highlight all the cells. We have to analyze. Means we have to highlight the numbers. The description of the columns and of the rows are not included. After that, go to the data menu. In my case, at the right side is the icon named Data Analysis. Just click it. At this dialog box, you can see calculations like the correlation coefficient, you can see the Fourier analysis, you can see histogram, and so on. The one that we are interested in is named Descriptive Statistics. Click it, followed by clicking on OK. This dialog box is asking us about the input range. So select the cells again you want to include into your calculations. Now the next question is, how are these numbers grouped? Did you group it by rows or, like in our case, by columns? The next question is, what is your output range? Where do you want to display the result of the calculations that Microsoft Excel will perform? Put the cursor inside and then click one cell at your spreadsheet. Then next step, we want to include here summary statistics. We can include confidence level, that is for the mean that is normally calculated by a function named confidence. Let us just include it. Then the key th largest, it's nothing else than our large function that you know already. Let us say we want to know the third highest value, so we display here the number 3. Then key th smallest, it's nothing else than our small function, so check it. And let us say we want to know the second smallest value, so we will type here 2, followed by clicking on OK. Here is it already. Column 1 belongs to number of employees. Column 2 belongs to salary cost 2023. The mean is nothing else than our average function. You know the median value, it is the one value that is exactly in the middle of all values. The mode value means which number at these values is written mostly. It is in our case 1799. Kurtosis is here, the range is here. Here you can see our minimum value and our maximum value. The sum for each column, in this case, the sum for column 1 refers to number of employees, is written here. Also, at this column is written the sum of all of these values. You know the count function. You know the large function, and you know the small function. So what is now the difference between calculating using an analysis ToolPak and as when I type the formula? The difference is when I change here a value and I use the Analysis ToolPak, then the values here will not change. When I typed the formula by my own and I change here any value, then the result of that formula will also change. So, see you next time for the next video. Bye.